ओम 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 श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमा कोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल्मुरुगन हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलं कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायङ्काले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं वन्देऽहौरासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम्। आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलं चारुस्निग्धोर्मम्भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्द। मोक्षाभिसारमय भागवताख्यदध्नो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। गङ्गा गीता च गायत्रपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिधुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणम्। आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणम्। चोटानिकर भगवति अम्मये शरणम्। नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniyam session. We have completed first 75 Dashakams with His grace. And the last bit, the last 1/4 is remaining. We'll start that journey from today. And let's see if we can complete both the Dashakams, 76 and 77 today. I'm not sure. Let us see what Lord wills. 77 is little complicated with so many tune changes. And let's see first with 76 how much time we take to do, and then we decide further. Okay, so let the kids come in first. Okay, so we're starting with Arjun. Okay, in 76 it is Uddhava Dutya Varnana, how Uddhava was sent as a messenger. What's the scene out over there? And it's in Mandakranta Chandas. Have we done that before? Yes, we have done. Where? Where?
Valli with from 7.
Dashakam 31.
31.
Only one, I think we have done,
Yeah,
right?
only
We don't
one.
have okay. So let us start. Okay, Arjun is starting. गत्वा सान्दीपनिमथ चतुष्षष्टिमात्रैरहोभिः
गत्वा सान्दीपनिमथ चतुष्षष्टिमात्रैरहोभिः
वेरी गुड सर्वज्ञस्त्वं सह मुसलिना सर्वविद्या गृहीत्वा
सर्वज्ञस्त्वं सह मुसलिना सर्वविद्या गृहीत्वा
पुत्रन्नष्टं यमनिलयनादाहृतं दक्षिणार्थम्
पुत्रन्नष्टय्यमनिलयनादाहृतं दक्षिणार्थम्
दत्त्वा तस्मै निजपुरमगानादयन् पाञ्चजन्यम्. That Puramaga, make it long as if you're not pausing. Because if you're going to pause over then you should pause at Puramaga. Like that a Visarga will come. So instead of giving a Visarga, sound it continuous. दत्त्वा तस्मै निजपुरमगानादयन् पाञ्चजन्यम्.
दत्त्वा तस्मै निजपुरमगानादयन् पाञ्चजन्यम् गत्वा सान्दीपनिमथ चतुष्षष्टिमात्रैरहोभिः सर्वज्ञस्त्वं सह मुसलिना सर्वविद्या गृहीत्वा पुत्रन्नष्टं यमनिलयनादाहृतं दक्षिणार्थम् दत्त्वा तस्मै निजपुरमगानादयन् पाञ्चजन्यम्.
Gatva, having gone to where? Sandipanim. Sandipanim, to sage, to Rishi Sandipani. Chatushashti matraihi ahohihi. Ahaha, day. Chatushashti, Chatuhu, 4. Shashti, 60. 64 days. Matraihi, just mere in 64 days. Sarvadnyaha tvam. Sarvadnyaha tvam. Tvam sarvadnyaha. You are the one who know everything. But still, you have gone there. Saha Musalina, with the Musalina, means third case. With whom? With Balramji, one who is holding the Musala. Sarva Vidya Grihitva. You learnt all the Vidyas. Grihitva. You have learnt everything within 64 days over there. And then Putram Nashtam. So Guru's putra was, Guru had lost his son. Then Yama Nilayanath, fifth case, from the house of Yama, from the board of Yama, Ahritam Dakshinartham. You brought back his son from Yama, Dakshinartham, to give Dakshina to his guru. He has learned. So as a Dakshina, you went to Yama's place and got back and gave him his son. Dattva Tasmai, having given that, Nijapurama Gaha, you went back to your place. And Nadayan Panchajanyam. And then Panchajanya, Lord's conch. You blew the conch Panchajanya and you went back to that place. So then his son, Guru's son, had drowned. So Lord had gone over there. Then there was this Panchajanya Rakshasa who had swallowed him. The Lord had killed that Asura and he had taken that conch from him, that Panchajanya. So that's how it's from Panchajanya. So that's the story that goes around. Okay, let's go. So what is the point in saying all this? That a guru is needed. Lord is Sarvatnya, but now he's come in this form. So for everything, for what you need, we need a guru for all the knowledge. Gatva Sandipanimatha Chatushdrashtimatrairahobihi. Excuse my throat today. Sarvatnyastvam saha musalina sarva vidya grihitma putrannashtayamanilayana dahritan dakshinartham dattva tasmai nijapuramaga nadayan panchajanyam. Yes, Anish. Second one. स्मृत्वा पशुपसदृशः प्रेम भार प्रणुन्नाः
स्मृत्वा पशुपसुदृशः प्रेम भार प्रनुन्नाः
कारुण्येन त्वमपि विवशः प्राहिणोरुद्धवन्तम्
कारुण्येन त्वमपि विवशः प्राहिणोरुद्धवन्तम्
किञ्चामुष्मै परमसुहृदे भक्तवर्याय तासा
किञ्चामुष्मै परमसुहृदे भक्तवर्याय तासाम्
भक्त्युद्रेकं सकलभुवने दुर्लभं दर्शयिष्यन्
भक्त्युद्रेकं सुकलभुवने दुर्लभं दर्शयिष्यन् स्मृत्वा पशुपसुदृशः प्रेम भार प्रणुन्नाः कारुण्येन त्वमपि विवशः प्राहिणोरुद्धवन्तम् किञ्चामुष्मै परमसुहृदे भक्तवर्याय तासा भक्त्युद्रेकं सकलभुवने दुर्लभं दर्शयिष्यन्.
Smritva. The word is Smritva is to remember. The word is repeated to say that remembering again and again. And Pashupa Sudrushaha, beautiful gopikas, remembering again and again. Prema Bhara Pranunnaha. So, how are the gopikas? Prema Bhara, the weight of their love, Pranunnaha, who are having the intense love for the Lord. So because of that, Karunyena Tvamapi Vivashaha, you also became very restless, helpless, seeing that intensity of love. And out of compassion, by Karunyena, Prahinoho, you sent. Uddhavam tam. You sent Uddhavam. Then Kincha Amushmai. Kincha Amushmai means to him, to Uddhava, who is Parama Suhruda, who is the Parama Suhruda, best friend of the Lord. And not only that, Bhaktavarya. He is also the greatest devotee of the Lord. Bhaktavaryaya, fourth case, to him, Tasam, Bhaktyudrek means overload of bhakti, Sakala Bhuvane, in entire world, such a durlabha, such a rare Bhaktyudrekam, overload of bhakti is not seen anywhere, to show that Darshayishyan, so that he will see. Uddhava is already a great devotee of Lord. But Lord also wants Darshayishyan. He wanted to show him how Gopikas are. So Lord had Prahinoho sent him to Prajabhumi. Smritva smritva pashupasadrisha prema bhara pranunnaha karunyena tvamapi vivasha प्राहिणोरुद्धवन्तम् किञ्चामुष्मै परमसहृदे भक्तवर्याय तासा भक्त्युद्रेकं सकलभुवने दुर्लभं दर्शयिष्यन्. Yes, we do. Come. Tvanmahatmya prathimapि shunam gokulam prapya sayam.
प्रथमपि सुनं गोकुलं प्राप्य सायम्.
No, it is not prathamapi. Prathima pishunam.
त्वन्माहात्म्य प्रथिमपि शुनं गोकुलं प्राप्य सायम्.
Correct. Twadvartabhirbahusarmaya masanandan yashoda.
त्वाताभिर्बहु सरसया मासनन्दं यशोदा.
Okay. Read again.
त्वाताभिर्बहु सरमया मासनन्दं यशोदा.
प्रातर्दृष्ट्वा मणिमयरथं शङ्किताः पङ्कजाक्ष्यः.
प्रातर्दृष्ट्वा मणिमयरथं शङ्किताः पङ्कजाक्ष्यः.
श्रुत्वा प्राप्तं भवदनुचरन् त्यक्तकार्या समीयुः.
श्रुत्वा प्राप्तं भवदनुचरन्त्याह्यक्तकार्या समीयुः. त्वन्माहात्म्यप्रतिमपि शुनं गोकुलं प्राप्य सायं. त्वद्वार्ताभिर्बहु सरस रमया मासनन्दै यशोदा. प्रातर्दृष्ट्वा मणिमयरथं शङ्किताः पङ्कजाक्ष्यः. श्रुत्वा प्राप्तं भवदनुचरं त्यक्तकार्या समीयुः.
Lovely, my dear. Excellent. Okay. So now, Twan Mahatmyam, your greatness, Prathima Pishunam, it was all so very visible, like when he's reaching Gokula, that Lord's Mahatmya's magnitude was so palpable. So by the time he's reaching in the Gokulam, Prapya Sayam, by evening when he's reaching, he could realize, because there were so many signs indicating the greatness of the Lord. Then, Twadvartabhihi Bahu Sa ramayamasa Nandam Yashodam. And you brought great joy to Nand Babaji, to Yashodaji, and he engaged them. Twadvartabhihi, by your news. Who? Uddhava is giving Lord's news to Nandagopa and Yashodama, which is delighting them. Twadvartabhihi, third case. Your news, Tvad, Bhattatari ji is saying to the Lord, by your news, Ramayamasa Nanda. Ramayamasa making joy to Nanda Baba and Yashoda. Then Pratar Drushtva. In the morning, having seen Drushtva Tvantavya, Manimaya Ratham, a chariot, Manimaya, full of jewels, jewel decked chariot, Shankitaha, Pankajakshaha, the lotus-eyed ones, the gopis, Shankitaha, they doubted, whether the Lord has come or what has happened. Shrutva praptam bhavat anucharam. Your anuchara, your shishya, your follower, Shrutva, having heard that your duta has come, your anuchara has come, tyakta karyaha, they left all the work that they were doing, and samiyuhu, and gathered. Where? In Nanda Babaji's home. त्वन्माहात्म्य प्रथिमपि शुनं गोकुलं प्राप्य सायं त्वद्वार्ताभिर्बहुसरमयामासनन्दै यशोदाम् प्रातर्दृष्ट्वा मणिमयरथं शङ्किताः पङ्कजाक्ष्यः श्रुत्वा प्राप्तं भवदनुचरन् त्यक्तकार्याः समीयुः. Is Prahlad there today? Prahlad, are you there? So others can join now. So Manaji, number 4 for you. Drishtva chainan tvadupamalasa. दृष्ट्वा चैनं त्वदुपमलसद्वेषभूषाभिरामम्
दृष्ट्वा चैनं त्वदुपमलसद्वेषभूषाभिरामम्
स्मृत्वा तव विलसितान्युच्चकैस्तानि विलसितानि उच्चकैः तानि but विलसितानि we will not break.
स्मृत्वा तव विलसितान्युच्चकैस्तानि तानि
रुद्धालापाः कथमपि पुनर्गद्गदां वाचमूचुः
रुद्धालापाः कथमपि पुनर्गद्गदां वाचमूचुः
सौजन्यादि निजपरभिदामप्यलं विस्मरन्त्यः
सौजन्यादीन् निजपरभिदामप्यलं विस्मरन्त्यः दृष्ट्वा चैनं त्वदुपमलसद्वेषभूषाभिरामम् स्मृत्वा तव विलसितान्युच्चकैस्तानि तानि रुद्धालापः कथमपि पुनर्गद्गदां वाचमूचुः सौजन्यादीन् निजपरभिदामप्यलं विस्मरन्त्यः.
So now what happens? Drushtva, having seen, enam tvad, like you, tvad upama, like you only, lasat, shining, vesha bhusha, abhirama, very beautiful, very charming clothes and everything, vesha bhusha, Uddhava has worn like Lord only. And that's what it triggered their memory. So smrutva, again and again, they started remembering Lord. Vilasitani, like how the sporting actions, how the Lord's Leela, what all they did with the Lord, they couldn't hold but remember. And Uchchakai Stani Tani means they kept on again and again, vehemently remembering it. Very much forcefully it is coming out now to them, seeing Uddhava in like a Lord's Veshabhusha. And then Ruddhalapa, they got so overwhelmed, it choked them. Alapa, Ruddha, they couldn't speak about it. Kathamapi, nothing. And then somehow, Punaha again, Gadgadam Vacham, with like very shivering voice, Uchuhu, they spoke. But before that, Saujanya Adin, whatever formalities are there, whatever etiquettes are there, everything. Nija parabhidam apiyalam vismarantyaha. So they completely forgot. And nija parabhidam apiyal. So even between them, if they had any differences, they vismaranti. What etiquette now? Uddhava is another man. They don't know. They are seeing him. But now they don't have any difference also between him also and between the other gopis also. And they were just, first they choked and then they started shivering and they wanted to speak or talk because now it's about the Lord, they have to speak. And they said what we'll see in the next. Drishtva chainan tvadupamalasa Veshabhushabhiramam smrutva tava vilasitanyuchchakai stani tani Ruddhalapah kathamapi punargadgadam vachamuchuho Saujanyadi nijaparabhidam apyalam vismarantyah. Number 5. Shriman kintvam pitrujana krite preshito nirdayena.
श्रीमन् किं त्वं पितृजनकृते प्रेषितो निर्दयेन
Vasau kanto nagara sudrusha hare nath payaha.
वासौ कान्ते नगरसुदृशाम् आहरे नाथ पायाः
आश्लेषाणाम् अमृतवपुषो हन्तते चुम्बनानाम्
आश्लेषाणाम् अमृतवपुषो हन्त मे चुम्बनानाम्
Unmadanam kuha. So, the ma has gone to Chumbananam. So, starting with U. Unmadanam kuha kavachasam vismaret kantakava.
उन्मादानाम् उपकवचसाम् विस्मरेत् कान्तका वा श्रीमन् किं त्वं पितृजनकृते प्रेषितो निर्दयेन वासौ कान्तो नगरसुदृशाम् आहरे नाथ पायाः आश्लेषाणाम् अमृतवपुषो हन्त मे चुम्बनानाम् उन्मादानाम् उन्मादानाम् उपकवचसाम् विस्मरेत् कान्तका वा.
So now what happens? So now they are speaking. Shriman. Shriman addressed to Uddhava. Oh, Shriman. Like how Aryan. So like that. How respected one. Kim. Is it? Tvam. Pitrujana krute. For the parents. Pitrujana krute. For the parents' sake. Preshitaha is sent. You are sent by Nirdayena, by that heartless fellow. Gopikas are asking, are you being sent by that heartless fellow? Means Krishna. Vasau Kanta, he is such a beloved of Nagara Sudrisham, of all the Nagara, means of all the city beauties. Ha Hare Nathapaya, O Lord, protect us. Asleshanam, hugs. Amruta Vapushaha. So the Lord's Amruta Vapusha, the body, Amruta Vapusha, the body which is like Amruta. So the body of nectar in that sense means Lord's divine body. Hugs, Lord's divine body. Chumbananam, kisses of the Lord. Alas, all this and unmadanam, like such a madly means intense love they have for the Lord. And kuhaka vachasa, all the words that they would exchange. Vismaret, how can kanta ka, all of this we will forget. So all this they have done with the Lord. How can we forget that? And now he has sent you. Has that cruel hearted sent you only for the parents' sake? Is that all? Like that. श्रीमन् किं त्वं पितृजनकृते प्रेषितो निर्दयेन वासौ कान्तो नगरसुदृशां हरेनाथ पायाः आश्लेषाणाममृतवपुषो हन्तते चुम्बनानाम् उन्मादानां कुहकवचसां विस्मरेत् कान्तका वा लताजी Number 6 रासक्रीडालुलितललितं विश्लथत्केशपाशम्
रासक्रीडालुलितललितं विश्लथक् केशपाशम्
मन्दो sorry okay मन्दोद्भिन्न श्रमजलकणल्लोभनीयं त्वदङ्गम्
मन्दोद्भिन्न श्रमजलकणं लोभनीयं त्वदङ्गम्
again
मन्दोद्भिन्न श्रमजलकणलोभनीयं त्वदङ्गम्
कारुण्याब्धे सकृदपि समालिङ्गितुं दर्शयेति
कारुण्याब्धे सकृदपि लिङ्गितुं दर्शयेति
say again
कारुण्याब्धे सकृदपि समालिङ्गितुं दर्शयेति
प्रेमोन्मादात् भुवनमदनत्वत्प्रियास्त्वां विलेपुः
प्रेमोन्मादात् भुवनमदनत्वत्प्रियास्त्वां विलेपुः रासक्रीडालुलितललितं विश्लथत्केशपाशम् मन्दोद्भिन्न श्रमजलकणं लोभनीयं त्वदङ्गम् कारुण्याब्धे सकृदपि समालिङ्गितुं दर्शयेति प्रेमोन्मादात् भुवनमदनत्वत्प्रियास्त्वां विलेपुः.
So now the Gopika's mood is in the flashback. They are thinking of that Rasa Krida night. So in that Rasa Krida, how much close we were with the Lord. Rasa Krida Lulita Lalitam. So beautifully we were so much close with the Lord in his embrace. And Vishlathat Kesha Pasham, all hair has gone here and there. And then Mandod Bhinna Shrama Jala Kana. So there is small sweat drops that had appeared on that body, Lobhaniyam Vadangam, on the body. O Karunyabdhe, O compassionate one, Sakrudapi, Samalingitum, how that embrace, how we had embraced. Darshayeti, show us that form again, like this, Premonmadat, in that intense love. Unmada is madness. Premonmada, in that madness of love, means in that intense of love. Bhuvana Madana, the one who is enchanting the entire Bhuvana. Vat priyaha tvam vilepu. The ones who are loving you so much, for you, vilepuhu, they were yearning for you in that intense love, and they were wanting him in that. It means there were so much viraha in them also, and there is so much yearning also, and they said all that to Uddhava. रासक्रीडालुलितललितं विश्लथत्केशपाशं मन्दोद्भिन्नश्रमजलकणल्लोभनीयं त्वदङ्गम् कारुण्याब्धे सकृदपि समालिङ्गितुं दर्शयेति प्रेमोन्मादात् भुवनमदनत्वत्प्रियास्त्वां विलेपुः. Not to forget all those dvitvas I have not mentioned, but I hope you have got it in the pronunciation. Others who are not volunteering for Madanatvat, like that. In the previous ones also we had few dvitvas. I hope it is taken note of. Lataji. Number 7. Evam प्रायैर्विवशवचनैराकुला गोपिकास्ताः. Sir has gone up as Visarga.
एवं प्रायैर्विवशवचनैराकुला गोपिकास्ताः
त्वत्सन्देशैः प्रकृतिमनयत् सोऽथ विज्ञानगर्भैः.
सन्देशैः प्रकृतिमनयत् सोऽथ विज्ञानगर्भैः
भूयस्ताभेर्मुदितमतिभिस्त्वन्मयीभिर्वधूभिः. Same. Sir has gone up as Visarga.
भूयस्ताभिर्मुदितमतिभिस्त्वन्मयीभिर्वधूभिः
तत्तद्वार्ता सरसमनयत् कानिचिद्वासराणि.
तत्तद्वार्ता सरसमनयत् कानिचिद्वासराणि एवं प्रायैर्विवशवचनैराकुला गोपिकास्ताः त्वत्सन्देशैः प्रकृतिमनयत् सोऽथ विज्ञानगर्भैः भूयस्ताभिर्मुदितमतिभिस्त्वन्मयीभिर्वधूभिः तत्तद्वार्ता सरसमनयत् कानिचिद्वासराणि.
So now what happens? Evam prayahi means like this kind of talks only. Vivasha vachanaha means complete helpless vachanas. Akulaha, so much yearning and so much grief. This gopikaha, so like this gopikas, the condition is like this. Then Uddhava, tvat sandeshaihi, by your sandesha, messages, third case plural, by your messages, prakriti manayat. They were so much in grief and despair and disappointment and all, seeing Uddhava, but not the Lord. Prakriti manayat, he brought them back to the normalcy. Why? What kind of a message? Vijnana garbhaihi. So Vedantic message, some spiritual message was given to Gopikas, which brought them their pain and their grief and their desperation back to Prakriti Manayat. Then Bhuyaha Tabhihi Muditam. And again, Mudita. So they were delighted to see, to hear that messages. Mudita Matibhihi, with their happy minds. Twanmayi bhihi vadhubhihi. They were completely with Twanmayi. Bhattathariji is saying, means if it is something is of gold, we say Suvaranamaya. Right? So Twanmayi means they were completely with you, dissolved in you. Bhattathariji is saying Twanmayi. In you they were completely dissolved. Vadhubhihi, all the gopikas. Tattadvarta sarasamanaya. Then talking only about Lord's whatever stories they had, they were talking only that. And Uddhava, Kanichid Vasarani, he has spent over there. Kanichid, some Vasarani days he has spent like that with the Gopikas, talking only about Lord. Because the ones who are with the Lord, what else they have to say? They have only stories of Lord only to talk. But only thing, the earlier one was a despair situation. Now they are Prakriti Manaya. They were comforted by the Vijnana Garbha Vakyas. So Bhattatiri has only hinted, but these all words are very important, like what has pacified the gopis so much. एवं प्रायैर्विवशवचनैराकुला गोपिकास्ताः त्वत्सन्देशैः प्रकृतिमनयत्सोऽथ विज्ञानगर्भैः भूयस्ताभेर्मुदितमतिभिस्त्वन्मयीभिर्वधूभिः तत्तद्वार्ता सरसमनयत् कानिचिद्वासराणि. Pushpaji. Number 8. त्वत्प्रोद्गानैः सहितमनिशं सर्वतो गेहकृत्यम्
त्वत्प्रोद्गानैः सहितमनिशं सर्वतो गेहकृत्यम्
त्वद्वार्तैव प्रसरति मिथः सैव चोत्स्वापलापाः. So nice.
त्वद्वार्तैव प्रसरति मिथः सैव चोत्स्वापलापाः
चेष्टाः प्रायस्त्वदनुकृतयस्त्वन्मयं सर्वमेव
चेष्टाः प्रायस्त्वदनुकृतयस्त्वन्मयं सर्वमेव
दृष्ट्वा तत्र व्यमुहदधिकं विस्मयादुद्धवोऽयम्.
दृष्ट्वा तत्र व्यमुहदधिकं विस्मयादुद्धवोऽयम् त्वत्प्रोद्गानैः सहितमनिशं सर्वतो गेहकृत्यम् त्वद्वार्तैव प्रसरति मिथः सैव चोत्स्वापलापाः चेष्टाः प्रायस्त्वदनुकृतयस्त्वन्मयं सर्वमेव दृष्ट्वा तत्र व्यमुहदधिकं विस्मयादुद्धवोऽयम्.
So beautiful this verse is. Tvat, of you, Bhattatari is saying. Prodganaihi, all the songs about you. Okay. Prodganai sahitam, with your songs only. Anisham, always. Sarvataha geha kritya, while doing geha kritya, household work. Sarvataha, always while doing any household work or anything, only your songs have been sung. Tvad vartaiva, varta eva, prasarati mithaha. Amongst themselves. Tvad varta eva, your news only, your topic only, prasarati, means will be spoken about, what is going on. Not only that, saeva cha utsvapalapaha, even in the dream, the talking is of you only. So all the actions done from morning till night, whether they are at home doing a work or whether they are talking amongst themselves or whether they are sleeping and dreaming, completely it's of Lord only. Cheshtaha prayaha tvad anukrutayaha. Whatever tvad anukrutayaha, they were copying your actions. Whatever you did, Lord, whatever, how he walked probably, how he ate, whatever Lord did, cheshtaha, all the actions, tvatkritaha, anukritayaha, they were copying it. They were doing only what Lord did. And tvanmayam sarvameva, whatever is their life is tvanmayam. There is no other space of anything. Whatever they did is completely for the Lord, of the Lord, and whatever he did by the Lord, whatever actions were done, everything is only Lord in their life from morning till night and from night to the dawn also. Because in the dream also they're thinking and talking of Lord only. All this seeing, drushtva, having seen all this, vyuham adhikam, all this, that much is, means vyuham. He is stunned. Who? Uddhava. And Vismayat. He felt such a great wonder. Uddhavaha ayam. This Uddhava was stunned, mesmerized, wonderstruck, and astonished. He is supposed to be the Lord's best bhakta, right? Bhakta Varya, we saw his description. But over here, he has seen something even beyond, which is not seen anywhere. So it's very difficult to describe that. One has to see and witness. And that's what Lord wanted to show him. And Lord had sent him as a messenger. And Uddhava. So Lord has been talking about all this. But Uddhava didn't feel as much as now when he's experiencing what gopis are undergoing, doing, and how much they are one with the Lord in every action and breath that they are existing. Wow. त्वत्प्रोद्गाने सहितमनिशं सर्वतो गेहकृत्यम् त्वद्वार्तैव प्रसरति मिथः सैव चोत्स्वापलापाः. This reminds me of my grandmother. From morning till night, whatever work she is doing, she will be chanting Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Krishna Hare. And depending upon the speed of the work, the chanting speed would go up or down, whether it's milking the cows, whether it's taking water from the well. All this cooking, mopping, sweeping, serving continuously. From our childhood, we've been hearing that in Mangalore house. So, I means I could, when they are saying like this, I'm relating to my grandmother who lived her life like this. Continuous talking of Lord only. Then Nama Smarana, which we say, the japa, continuous. I remember suddenly one thing. So, the family god over there in this Mangalore house is Betala. I don't know how to translate it in which word, but Betalu, that's a Konkani word. So I don't know in which way we'll translate that. So, and every night she would pray, and in the morning there was this God's room, very big room. And the Malayalam word is one ettikette house. Nalakatte is you have one center courtyard, but in an ettikette house you have, I think, 4 center courtyards. So that kind of a house, okay. And then there is one big, this God space and one big photo of him. My mom had questioned, always you think of him and this, does he hear you or something? And my mom was not so very small, but little, probably in her teens. So that night, on that door, my mom saw him standing. Means she questioned her mother's bhakti, and Lord showed himself to her standing at so my mom and my grandmother were sleeping together, and at that door she saw his darshan. So I could just remember that how means if for my grandmother and my mother it is happening there, for gopis it could be of what extent. This is what the point is. So if we have that, it will happen. It's not something for the books and for the scriptures, and it would be an individual experience for sure. Okay, let's go. And it just began to rain. Now it was such a hot day. Anytime rain, I feel some sign of divinity of it. Tvatprodgane sahitamanišam sarvato geha krityam tvadvartaiva prasarati mithas saiva chotsvapalapaha चेष्टाः प्रायस्त्वदनुकृतयस्त्वन्मयं सर्वमेवं दृष्ट्वा तत्र व्यमुहदधिकं विस्मयादुद्धवोऽयम्. राधा कृष्ण जी. Number 9. राधाया मे प्रियतममिदं मत्प्रियैवं ब्रवीति.
राधाया मे प्रियतममिदं मत्प्रियैवं ब्रवीति.
त्वं किं मौनं कलयसि सखे मानिनी मत्प्रियेव
त्वं किं मौनं कलयसि सखे मानिनी मत्प्रियेव
इत्याद्येव प्रवदति सखी त्वत्प्रियो निर्जने माम्. That ma is down, so that we are bringing up. The balance down will be E only.
इत्यादेव प्रवदति सखि त्वत्प्रियो निर्जने माम्
इत्थं वादैररमयदयम्. No should come, Apanaswara, sorry. Ikhtham vadairaramayadan tvatpriyamutpalakshi.
इत्थं वादैररमयदयन् त्वत्प्रियामुत्पलाक्षीम् राधायामि प्रियतममिदं मत्प्रियैवं ब्रवीति त्वं किं मौनं कलयसि सखे मानिनी मत्प्रियेव इत्यादेव प्रवदति सखि त्वत्प्रियो निर्जने माम् इत्थं वादैररमयदयन् त्वत्प्रियामुत्पलाक्षीम्.
Very beautiful scene is in this verse now. Okay. Uddhava is talking to Radha. And Uddhava is telling to Radha what Lord is saying about Radha to Uddhava. So it is like in a first person discussion, but Uddhava is repeating the words of the Lord to Radha, and Radha has become happy. So Radha Yame. So there is Radha Yaha. So the Visarga is there. So for me is mine. My Radha. For my Radha. So that word is now, when you hear that Lord is talking about you like this, Uddhava is telling this to Radha. Priyatamam idam. This is her favorite. Matpriya evam braviti. Matpriya evam braviti. My dear Radha. Evam braviti. She speaks like this. Then, Tvat kim maunam kalayasi. Why are you maunam, silent? Sakhe manini matpriya eva. My dear Radha. She is my dearest one. So, like she'll speak like this, she'll sit like this, she'll talk like this, she'll do like this. So, he's describing what Lord is saying to Radha. Ityadeva pravadati. Means now Radha is listening, that Lord is thinking of her and talking about her and describing how she sits or walks or talks or eats or does or speaks or doesn't speak also. And Tvatpriya Nirjane Mam, when nobody is there, Nirjanaha, then Lord is telling me like this about you. Itham Vadaihi, having saying such words, Aramayadayam, making Radha very happy about it. Tvatpriya Utpalakshim. Utpala, lotus. Utpalakshim, lotus Saitva. Tvatpriyam, you are the dear one of the Lord, Radha, Uddhava is saying. So beautiful. Radhaya me priyatamamidam matpriyaivam braviti. Idam priyatamam evam braviti. So like this she talks. This is her favorite thing. Description of, and also it happens to us when all grandparents talking about their grandsons, grandchildren, she does this and he does this and he does this. So much will be there. Or even if you don't have grandchildren and children, one pet will be in the house and then you will talk about that pet. My pet does this and understands this and that. And when we love somebody so much, in our talk, that person comes. And we describe that person in more than many ways to somebody. And we like to express that. Okay, so for a simple pet or a grandchild, we say over here the bhakti is heightened bhakti condition Why not Lord will talk about that bhakta who is loving him so much to his best friend Uddhava. And Uddhava has now told this fact. So beautiful. राधाया मे प्रियतममिदं मत्प्रियैवं ब्रवीति त्वं किं मौनं कलयसि सखे मानिनी मत्प्रियेव इत्याद्येव प्रवदति स देव प्रवदति रिमेम्बर् द द्वित्वा सखि त्वत्प्रियो निर्जनः इत्याद्येव प्रवदति सखी त्वत्प्रियो निर्जने माम् इत्थं वादैररमयदयन् त्वत्प्रियामुत्पलाक्षी लीलामा Number 10. एष्यामिद्रागनुपगमनं केवलं कार्यभारात्. The which is down will go up as the halantata. Write it over there. All this we will forget later.
एष्यामिद्रागनुपगमनं केवलं कार्यभारात्
विश्लेषेऽपि स्मरणदृढता सम्भवान् मास्तु खेदः.
क्लेशेऽपि स्मरणदृढता सम्भवान् मास्तु खेदः.
ब्रह्मानन्दे मिलति न चिरात् सङ्गमो वा वियोगः. Sir has gone up as a visarga. Right and keep.
ब्रह्मानन्दे मिलति न चिरात् सङ्गमो वा वियोगः.
तुल्यो वस्यादिति तव गिरा सोकरो निर्व्यथास्ताः.
तुल्यो वस्यात् इति तव गिरा सोकरो निर्व्यथास्ताः. एष्यामिद्रागनुपगमनं केवलं कार्यभारात् विश्लेषेऽपि स्मरणदृढता सम्भवान् मास्तु खेदः. ब्रह्मानन्दे मिलति न चिरात् सङ्गमो वा वियोगः. तुल्यो वस्यात् इति तव गिरा सोकरन्नोर्व्यथास्तः.
Very beautiful verse. Very important also.
तुल्यो वस्यात् इति तव गिरा सोकरो निर्व्यथास्ताः.
निर्व्यथास्ताः.
व्यथास्ताः.
ताः. Okay, doesn't. You can mute yourself now, Leelama. Eshyami drag. Soon, Eshyami. I will come. Anupagamanam. I'm not able to come. Kevalam. Only because of Karya Bharat. I'm very busy. I've got a lot of work to do. Lord is busy in Mathura. Now big things are going to happen. So I am busy at work. So much Karya Bhara is there. That's why I am not able to come. Vishlesh epi, even if we are not together, if we are separated also, Smarana Drudhata Sambhavan. You are all very much in my mind and I very much vehemently think of you. Smarana is Drudha. Mastu Hedaha. Don't grieve. I'm not forgotten you all. You all are still in my heart, in my mind, and I think of you so much very dearly. Brahmanande milati na chirat. Chira late. Na chirat, without any delay, soon Brahmanande milati. You will be in the bliss of Brahman. You will be in that bliss of Brahman. Sangamova viyogaha. Whether it is we are together or viyoga, separate. Tulyaha vaha syad. It will be vaha to your tulyaha syad. It will be the same. Whether we meet, whether we are together or whether we are separate, you won't feel that difference, because nachirat, soon you will get that Brahmananda. It won't make you only that, because always we'll be in that bliss. Then whether physical presence is there or not is not going to be a point only. Means that state, in that state, they will be one with the Lord. Then what is separation and what is being together? Iti tava gira, like this, your words, Bhagwan's word, saha, that Uddhava, karot, nirvyathaha, taha vyathaha, their vyatha, their sorrow, their desperation, that grief, nirvyatha karot. He removed that sorrow by Lord's such a solid message that Lord is soon going to come. But it would not matter only. They will be in that bliss, whether Sangama or Viyoga, Tulyaha Syat. It will be same only. What an assurance. We should yearn for like this, no? That, let's just remain in that bliss. What is this? That physically only insistence. So beautiful these lines are. And what an assurance. So it's a Lord's assurance verse. This is beautiful. Esha midrag is a dvitva, okay. Esha midrag anupagamanam kevalam karya bharat vishlesheti smarana drudhata sambhavan mastu khedaha brahmanande milati na chirat sangamo va viyogaha tulyo vasyaditi tava gira sokaro nirvyathastaha. Wow, what a beautiful, so fulfilling, no? Even to read this is fulfilling without doing anything, just to read the message itself. Last but not the least, Lalitama. Evam bhakti sakala bhuvane nekshita nashruta bha.
एवं भक्ति सकल भुवने नेक्षिता न श्रुता वा
किं शास्त्रौघैः किमिह तपसा गोपिकाभ्यो नमोऽस्तु
क्यों शास्त्रौघैः किमिह तपसा को गोपिकाभ्यो नमोऽस्तु
इत्यानन्दाकुलमुपगतं गोकुलादुद्धवन्तम्
इत्यानन्दाकुलमुपगतं गोकुलादुद्धवन्तम्
दृष्ट्वा हृष्टो गुरुपुरपते पाहि मामामयौघात् गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द
दृष्ट्वा हृष्टो गुरुपुरपते पाहि मामयोगात् गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द एवं भक्ति सकल भुवने नेक्षिता न श्रुता वा क्यों शास्त्रौघैः किमिह तपसा गोपिकाभ्यो नमोऽस्तु इत्यानन्दाकुलमुपगतं गोकुलादुद्धवन्तम् दृष्ट्वा हृष्टो गुरुपुरपते पाहि मामामयोगात् गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द.
Beautiful. Evam bhakti, like this kind of a bhakti, sakala bhuvane, in that entire universe, na ikshita, have not seen, na shrutava, neither have been heard of. Kim shastrau ghaihi, ogha is a flow. What? So much of scriptural studies, or kimiha tapasa, or what so much tapas, penance. That is not going to give. This is what it is. Gopikabhyo namastu, namaskars to all the gopikas. Wow. Iti, Ananda Akulam Upagatam Gokulat. From Gokulat, Panchami Vibhakti, Uddhavam Tam. This then Uddhavam from Gokula, iti Anandam Akulam Upagatam. He returned from Gokula with this overwhelming joy, seeing like this kind of a bhakti, which is never seen or heard of, and which neither a scripture or penance is going to give anytime. He comes with that overwhelming this, and Drishtva Hrushto. So Tam Drishtva, that Tam is there, no? Seeing him, Bhagwan became happy. That Gokulat Uddhavam Upagatam. Okay. So from Gokula, Uddhava has come. Tam Drishtva, seeing him, Krishtaha. Who? Krishna Rishtaha. Seeing Uddhava means Lord, whatever Lord had wanted has happened. That he wanted to show Uddhava, right? Uddhava is seen and he's come with this kind of a mind and experience with overwhelming. God has been happy. Guru Purapate, O Guru Vairappa, Pahi Mam Mayavghat, from my diseases. Please free me, please protect me from my diseases. Our bhav over here on this last line has to be there. We are stuck on our physical diseases. Over there, what big things are happening. God, you are doing so many things. My one physical thing, take away, please. Evam bhakti sakala bhuvane nekshitan shritava kim shastra ughay kimiha tapasa gopikabhyo namostu ityananda kulamupagatam Gokuladuddhavantam Drishtva Hrishto Gurupurapate Pahi Mamamayauga Gopika Jivanasmaranam Govinda Govinda. So with his immense krupa, we could just complete this dashakam. It took a little longer time, but I hope you all enjoyed this dashakam as much as I have enjoyed. Now the question is, we have 15 minutes plus those 15 minutes of our grace time to the daily Gita. Do we want to start to change the mood, or we want to start it tomorrow and do it? And we remain in this Gopika's mood and that bhakti mood now, whatever everybody says.
Please, I think before we go to something that's negative, let's revel at least in this. No?
Yeah, that's what I feel, but whatever each one of you feel. Yeah.
Varshaji. Be in the bhakti mode. That oneness is so good, actually. It makes me tear also. It's really.
Yes, Lakshmi ji.
Just a quick question for you. So I have to apologize. I've been listening without the book, but I have a quick request for you. Can you summarize this Dashakam? There were so many beautiful things. You were explaining each verse, but is it possible to summarize it? There is one part where you mentioned, how the bhakti was transforming, like they were sad, and then the next time I heard you say something was like, this is how they continue to be happier. So I thought I missed something there. You mind summarizing it?
Yes. I'll summarize happily. So if we are talking of this only, you wouldn't like to talk about this. Yes. Okay, so let us summarize back. Let's go. Rewind. Yay! Thank you, Lakshmi ji. So in that first verse, it is saying that how Lord has gone to Sandipani's ashram, and though he is a Sarvajna, he has learned all the Vidya in 64 days. And as a Dakshina mentioned that he has gone to Yama's abode and brought the dead son of Guru back alive and given it back to Guru as a Dakshina. And then he came back to his place by blowing Panchajanya. So in that shlok, so many other stories of Krishna have covered. Then now it comes in the second verse, last word is Darshayishyan. So Lord wants to show Uddhava. So the point is, Lord wants to show Uddhava that how the Pashupa Sudrishaha, the beautiful gopis, who are prema bhara pranunnaha, intense love for the Lord who are having. And Lord is thinking about them also, that how they are yearning for him. And out of that compassion, karunyena, prahinoho Uddhavam, he sent Uddhava as a messenger. And how is Uddhava? That's the description in that third line of that second. He is a Parama Suruda of the Lord. He is the greatest friend of the Lord. He is a Bhakta warrior. He is the highest. He is the best amongst all the devotees. He is Lord's best friend, and he's best friend of the best among all the devotees. To that Uddhava, to show that's in that Sakala Bhuvana, this Bhakti Udreka, this overwhelming bhakti is never durlabham. That last line of that second verse only. Bhakti Udrega is so durlabham in this Sakala Bhuvana. To show him that Darshayishan, Lord has sent his best friend and the best devotee. So this is in the second verse. Now comes the third verse. Third verse now, Gokulam Prapya Sayam. First line, last three words. So by the time he is coming, Uddhava is reaching Gokula by evening. What he has seen, Tvat Mahatmyam Prathima Pishunam. Your Mahatmyam is oozing over here. It is the magnitude of your grace and your glory so much, it is just visible. Nobody can miss. This is what Uddhava felt as he is reaching Gok. And then with your news, Tvad Vartabhihi, by your news, Ramayamasa Nandan Yashoda Baba, you have made them, Nanda Babaji and Yashoda, you have made them happy. Then Pratar Drushtva, in the morning, Manimaya Ratham, seeing that beautiful chariot, Pankajakshiyaha, the one with the lotus eyes, Shankitaha. They have a doubt. Oh, has the Lord come? Like that they became. But then Shritva, they heard Bhavat Anucharam Praptam, that your messenger has come, your follower has come. Tyakta Karyaha, leaving all the work, Samiyuhu, where they gathered in Nanda Baba's house. So follow the verse. I hope this is, you are following, right, Lakshmiji, in this way? You are getting what you wanted to? We are going in the same way?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
thank you.
Now let us go in the fourth verse. Now, Drushtva cha enam. In the fourth verse, now in the morning, Gopikas have come seeing the Manimai chariot, okay, full of jewels and all. Now, chariot they saw, they felt it is the Lord. But now they see that person who has come. And how he is it? Tvad upama, like you. Bhattatriji is saying, Lasad, shining, Vesha Bhushan Abhirama, one who is very charming, like Lord, and like Lord only who has worn the dress, and he's shining. Gopika seeing Uddhava like Lord. And then to him, Smrutva, now seeing Uddhava like Lord, they are again and again vehemently remembering Lord. Vilasatani, Uchchakehi, Tani, different sportive actions, whatever they did with Lord. They started remembering, all the memories came and gushed them. That gushed them down so much, they became Ruddhalapaha. Their talk, their voice choked. Ruddhaha alapaha. They couldn't speak anything. Kathamapi. Then punaha, after some time, Gadgadam vacham, with the shivering voice, Uchuhu, they said, leaving all the Saujanyadi, there are no etiquettes, no courtesies, or no manners, or becoming shameless, or whatever you have to say. Because that, and Nija Parabhidapam also, Vismaranti, they forgot that the fights among themselves also, seeing Uddhava like that. And then they asked Uddhava, Kim, Tvam, Pitrujane Krute, Nirdayana Preshitaha, that heartlessly for the parents have you been sent? Huh? Oh, Kwasav, Kanta, Nagara, Sudrusham, all these city beauties, all this town beauties, or all this village beauties, how they will how they will withstand. Oh Hare, oh Krishna, Natha Payaha, please protect us. Ashleshana, your hugs. Amrita Vapusha, your body which is like Amrita. Chumbananam, the kisses. Unmadanam kuhaka vachasam, like mad, whatever we've been talking. Vismaret Kantava. Who can forget all these experiences that you had given? Now, please come and protect. Please come. Only your messenger has come. You have to come. Like this in the 5th verse happens. Then comes the 6th verse. In the 6th verse, now they vehemently remember all the Rasa Krida, how they were one with the Lord, how the hair and all were disheveled, and how the sweat on the Lord was there, and how his body was so beautiful. And oh, compassionate one, that hug, thinking of all that, and Premonmada Bhuvana Madana, Tvatpriya Stvam Vilepuhu, again and again, thinking about all the things that Lord did. Vilepuhu, they were keeping on lamenting. To whom? To Uddhava, saying all this. They are remembering everything. Again, they are reliving that in their memory and asking about all that. Now, seeing their desperateness, disappointment, grief in verse number 7. Evam prayahi, like this only they are talking of Lord, of Rasa Krida, of his presence, of his body, of his charm, of how he is with them and how close they are and how intense the love is. They have nothing else to talk about. So, evam prayahi, always talking about like this, vivasha vachanahi, Sacha Vachanas, they were like so vivasha, so helpless in front of Uddhava, telling him all about that. Akulaha Gopikahata, they were so much hopeless and yearning for the Lord. That time, seeing their desperateness, what Sandeshaihi, your message, Bhattaderi ji saying, by your message, Prakritim Anayat, they were brought back to normalcy. And what was that message? Vijnana Garbhaihi, Vedantic message. The highest truth was revealed in that message by the Lord through Uddhava. Hearing that, they became pacified. Prakritim Anayat. They were pacified by Vijnana Garbha words, some Vedantic knowledge, like what we saw in verse number 10. Brahmanande milati nachirat sangamova viyogo tulyaha vasyad. We saw that in verse number 10. So like this, probably Lord would have given them such a Vedantic pregnant message that they felt Lord at that time. And that's why Prakriti Manayat, Uddhava's those words brought them down back to normalcy. Otherwise, they were getting so much yearning and lamenting for the Lord. And then Bhuyaha again, Tabhihi, those Mudita Matibhihi, with their happy minds, Tvanmayi Bhihi Vadhubhihi, only Tvatmayi Bhihi, Swarnamaya, full of Swarna. Tvatmaya means full of you only, all those Gopikajikas. Vad Varta Sarasam Anayat. And with your news, with your talks only, Kanichid Vasarani, few days Uddhava spent with Gopikas, talking about the Lord only. Gopikas are talking and Uddhava has got just to listen after conveying Lord's message, Vedanta Garbha, Vijnana Garbha. Some jnana has been given in that message. Okay. Then, in the 8th verse, so this is what Lakshmiji, I think you said you missed. Now, did you get it?
Yeah, thank you. Yes, I'm listening. Yes, thank you.
What was the message, Varsha? Is it there in Bhagavata?
Yes.
What was
So,
the
so message is like this. As I said, it is pointed out in 10th verse that being with the Lord is not just that physical thing. Remaining in that bliss. So then the presence or absence will be one. So absorbing in the oneness of that universe around. When there is I and me and you separateness, then only there will be that duality. Then I like this, I don't like this, I have this and I don't have this. But when that I and mine and is melted with the other and there is no other, there will be only bliss. There won't be any like or dislike. Do we say, I like my hand and I don't like my leg? We don't say that, right? So if my finger
Satyam
goes in my eyes, my eyes will pain or water, but that same hand and that same finger will wipe that tears quietly. But if your finger will go in my eyes, then, oh my God. I might say, can't you just be mindful of my presence near you? Depending upon how much pain I have got, so much words will come out out of anger. So my hand is causing that pain, that's fine, it's silently. But your hand is doing what? So it is dual, right? But if that whole thing, not only this whole body as one, but everybody else's body is also as one, if this thought is coming, then where is the fight? Where is minus and where is your? Everything is melted. So such Vijnana Garbha, some message has come that has pacified them. That, and in the 10th verse it is coming, no? That he has assured that he would come, but his absence of presence, tulyaha, it will not make, because you would be in that Brahmananda. Okay, Leelama, clear?
Yes, thank you.
So this is verse number 7. Then we go to verse number 8. Now that verse number 8 is saying, Prodganaihi, by your gana, by your songs, Sahitam, always with your songs, Anisham, always with your song, Sarvataha Geha Krityam. At any time doing the housework, it is going with your only songs. They are not doing anything else. Housework has to be done. Whatever work has, duties have to be performed. Duties are performed, but the mind is with the Lord. Actions are doing externally, okay, for husband, for children, for the house, the maintenance, cleaning, sweeping, mopping. Externally, everything is happening. But in the mind and on the lips, it is the Lord's prodganai. He's singing again and again Lord's glories. Then, Tvad Varta eva prasarati mithaha. We sit, we two people meet, we'll sit and talk of some gossip of who's absent over there. Okay. We will talk about something. I went to this holiday and I went there, and over here, Mithaha, when two Gopikas are meeting, they have got Tvad Varta eva, your news only to talk about. They don't have anything else to talk about. And not only that, Sa eva cha Utswapalapaha. In the sleep also, if they are talking of the Lord in the sleep. Are we doing so much? No. In the morning, that 5 minutes quickly before rushing to the office, one lamp is lit and a namaskara is done, and we get out of the house. Okay. And if we are too much late, then that puja is also cancelled. And we go for the other. Lord is not first in our house. Our work, our this, our thing, so many other priorities are there for us. We just reflect how our morning pujas we do. And how much we can postpone if you are not going for the work. Then, okay, let me do this, let me do. We don't say, let's keep the house waiting. I have to finish my puja. No, the house is waiting. So everything comes. How we do our pujas, you see, when we will have time, then only it will be well. Over here, it is not like that. First is the Lord, and then everything else is there. And all the cheshtaha prayaha tvad anukrutaya. Whatever actions Lord did, they are copying their actions and living like the Lord itself. Twan mayam sarvameva. Everything is you only in their life. There is nothing else like that. Drishtva tatra, seeing all this. Vyamuhad, adhika vyamuhad, he is stunned. Uddhava is stunned. Vismayat, and he is wonderstruck. Uddhavaha, ayam Uddhavaha, Vismayaha, Vyamuha adhikam. He was too much only stunned and in awe of how Gopikas are living. Means literally with the Lord they are living. And then in the 9th verse, there is a message for Radha. Uddhava gives that, Lord, when there is nobody, Lord talks about you to me. He tells me that my Radha sits like this, my Radha talks like this. And sometimes if I'm not saying, he say, why are you quiet like Radha? Like that. And saying all that, Radha is becoming happy. And Radha is made happy. So the 9th verse is for Radha's love. Specifically, it's been mentioned. Now in that 10th verse, which we spoke in the 7th verse, Lord's message comes, Eshyami Drag. I will come very soon. Anupagamanam, I am not able to come kevalam only because of Karya Bharat, because I have got so much work to do. Vishleshepi, even if we are separated, Smarana Drudhata Sambhavan. Your thoughts are Smarana Drudha, are firmly in my. I have not forgotten, though I'm having so much of work. You are running on my mind continuously. Therefore, Mastu Hedaha, don't grieve. Brahmanande milati na chirat. Soon you will be in Brahmananda. Soon you will be in the bliss. Sangamova Vyagova Tulyaha Vasyat. For you, whether we have met or whether we are separated, Tulyaha Syat. Once you will be in that Brahmananda. Tavagira Soakaro Nirvyathaha Gataha. Listening to Lord's this message, Gopika became free of grief forever. Because this is the assurance. Whether he is there or not there, it's immaterial. Stay in Brahmananda. This is just given by the message. This was in the 10th verse. Then in the 11th verse, Uddhava has come happily, and seeing Uddhava like that, stunned. How? That bhakti he saw in Sakala Bhuvana, which is not Ikshita, not seen, na Shruta, which is not heard of. And what Shastras would do, what a tapas would do. Gopika Bhyaha Namaste, Namaskaras to Gopika. Iti Anandam Akulam Upagatam Gokula Uddhavam. In this bliss, he comes from Gokula. Tam Drishtva Hrushtaha. Krishna becomes happy seeing him. Oh, Guru Vairappa. So many things you are doing. My one disease, one physical disease, you please take away. Pahi, protect me. Mom, protect me. Amaya Aughat. So many, we have so many diseases. We don't have just one sugar. Huh? Sugar is there, BP is there, cholesterol is there, thyroid is there, knee pain is there, back pain is there, stomach something is there, mental something is there, sleep is not coming, this is paining, that is coming. God alone knows what all is happening. Digestion is in one end. So many things we are having. And that's why we can't sit, we can't do yoga, we can't stand, we can't walk so long. So many things. So if we put our mind and heart into what we feel actually and ask for the Lord, Lord comes and does. As I gave example of my mom, she questioned. She got darshan at the door that night. It was 3:34 in the morning, and my mom clearly saw him when she doubted my grandmother's bhakti. So I have a firm belief that if you have honest desire, if it's something, Lord will show him in whichever form. We will not know, and when we will not know. Only thing, we are not calling him or yearning him or thinking of him or bring him in our activities in the way the Gopikas have done. But listening to their stories stirs something in us. That's why it's important to hear these stories, so that by listening for a moment, we are with the Lord, and we get that feel even for a bit. All thanks to Lakshmi ji, who made me repeat this whole Dashaka again. I hope it is clear.
Thank you, Varsha. It was so beautiful. Thank you, really, from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you, Lakshmi ji.
Thank you so much. It was really beautiful.
Thank you, Sushma
Thank you,
ji.
Varsha. Nice to hear it once again in full.
And it's very beautiful, Dashika.
Very, very beautiful.
Uddhava's going to, this is, it's very beautiful. For those who are, so we are doing this Narayaniya memorization, huh? Those who have not yet participated, want to participate, just join the group from the community. We are doing now Rasa Panchadhyay. We have come backwards. 69th Dashakam we have finished. We are doing Gopika Geet now, which is 68th Dashakam. We are 4 days into it. But that's very simple. Even if you join now, you would be able to memorize Gopika Geetam from the Narayana. So now today Lord has shown, so this would also be in one of our memorization thing later on. But first, at the moment, we'll complete Rasa Panchadhyay. Then we'll do Dashakam 1 and 2. But before that, if we are reaching 91st Dashakam, then instead of doing 1 and 2, those who are in that Narayan memorization, we will be doing 91. Because when we are studying and if we are memorizing, it will happen simultaneously. By the time we reach, because it's taking time to memorize also, it will take time of 25 Dashakams to, means 15 Dashakams to reach. So if 91 reaches first, after Panchadhyay, we'll go directly to 91 and memorize it alongside us when we are learning. So when it is fresh in mind, the learning will happen. So those who want to memorize, do join. Those who can memorize, and you should try. See, even Lataji is memorizing. So those who say that, oh my, this is not, and you wouldn't believe how Lataji chants. When she chants, it is so nice. There's such a melodious voice she carries and she memorizes and we have Pushpaji also. So I think we most of us have not crossed 60 and all these are on that 70 and 70 plus and they are doing it. I think this can be our inspiration. Lataji, Pushpaji, these can be our inspiration. Who are doing it, and Tataji would say, oh, I can't do, but she would be the one who is sounding most melodious. Okay, same thing when Pushpaji says, when she chants, she memorizes and comes, it's as though she is reading. It's such a fluency. So if in their age they are doing it, we in this age we should not. You can try. And if you'll ask Lataji or Pushpaji, they'll say, before this, they have never done. Now only this is happening. So it's not that whole life they've been doing and so now it is easy or something. So we can also try. People are doing it. So those who have not joined, do join. Because sometimes when you memorize, when you want to memorize and you sit, you have to repeat it so many times. So automatically, so many times Lord is there, in the mind. That story comes in the mind. So now because we are doing Rasa Leela, that Rasa Leela is so much in the mind. And then you want to do it. So morning and night, in between, in the sleep, in the morning, you are keeping on chanting. So this is one method to live in that. And memorization is just one nimitta. That okay, but at least to be in the Dashaka. Okay, fair enough. Now let's end our session and leave it for Daily Gita, though there 10 minutes are there. And tomorrow we meet again. So tomorrow's Dashakam is little, so just please see the Chandas and come, okay? So many Chandases are there, as if we are doing a summary of all the Chandases. That's the next one. So then the mood is now going to change. This is, I think, one of the Gopika's thing when we are talking. So now it's all done. All this war and things and all will start now. So it's going to be a complete different. And that's how the Chandas are also going to change. Okay. So let's end today's session. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining. Thank you.
Hari Om,
Thank you,
Varsha.
Dr.
Thank you.
Varsha. Thank you so much.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Varsha ji, thank
Hari
you
Om.
so much. Hari Om. Thank you, Varsha ji.
Hari Om, Varsha ji. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you so much, Varsha ji. Hari Om.
Hari Om, my
Hari Om.